about being together. And so the rest of our community is in the hall, and you couldn't see them, but they were standing at the door heckling the guys. So that's also important, is that your friends stand in the back and heckle you and try to see if you can do something weird. So the idea of music is a way of bringing people together, as an offering that musicians or dancers or the community can give to one another or to nature or to what we would think of as the divine world, is a really important part of what makes gamelan and Balinese dance very special and very unique.